Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me will be on the second page right over here. So once you find your toggle, which it might be in a different place, but should be on one of the two pages, you will want to hold it and then select More. This in turn takes you to the settings page where you can customize how the mode will function. Now, under people, you'll have probably the most important option, which is the choice of selecting who can call you or message you, with the option right here with ring for repeated calls. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will be able to bypass whatever you have selected right over here. And another good thing in here is the schedule mode. So this allows you to create new ones and edit obviously the existing ones. Schedule modes, which in turn allow you to basically have it set so it automatically turns the Do Not Disturb mode on and off at the provided day of the week and start and end time. Now, if you're planning to use the schedule, just make sure that you toggle it on after you create one or set one up. Now, the sleep one is basically created by default on every device, so you should have one as well. But if you want to create additional ones, you would just press right here on this plus. Now, once everything is set, find the toggle, and assuming you want to enable it manually, you can just simply tap on it and then select Turn On. And once you're done with it, you can find the toggle once more, tap on it, and this will turn it off. And in here, we might actually have some more options. Let's see. Yep. So once you enable it, you do have more options by clicking on this little text right here. You have a drop down. And this gives you the option that wasn't in the settings, so you can choose a timer for the mode when you manually enable it, which is a pretty good thing to enable if you forget about the Do Not Disturb mode. Otherwise it would be running indefinitely in the background, but by, for instance, selecting this, it will run for 2 hours, after which it's going to automatically turn off. So anyway, now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.